welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some back to school preparation, some organisation, some DIY and just how I turned this wall in my kitchen into a family command centre. I didn't spend a penny, I just used things that are around the house and upcycled them. If that's something you'd like to see, then keep watching. Okay, so this was one of my favourite things that I made. This is one of the boys' favourite saying at the minute off a meme or something like that that they found on YouTube. And then I just added the don't forget and put a list of things that they might need every day-ish, you know, like the main things. And then I put Rio's name and Riley's name and done them some little circles to tick. And I also put this pin here, but I wanted to show you this because all I've done is printed this off. I made it on an app called PicMonkey. I'll link it in the description. And then I put it in just a normal frame that we already had. Then I glued, hot glue gun, I glued a straw. It's like a thicker straw, like, I don't know if you can see it, like a plastic straw, to the frame. So they can put the pen back so it doesn't get lost, so it's always there. And what they do is in the morning they will tick off whatever they've got, then they can put the pen back in there. And yeah, this was already on the wall and I'm not going to move it because it means drilling another hole, and it sort of goes with the colours as well, so I'm just leaving that there. And then we have up here menu for the way in this little glass jar. I have some chalks to draw on our menu and some little pens, just some little felt to do like notes and shopping lists. And then you'll see that I made this arrow sign. I see the and then I made this little heart. They have their own little pegs. Obviously these can be moved around. And I know Hope isn't at school, but she will need a changing bag that I'm going to need to take out every day. So that's why that's there. And then using the same app, I printed off a little calendar for us. I haven't filled it in yet. I've just put what we've got. Yeah. So this is a board that we already had. And then you'll see me make this. I love this, it's so like farmhouse. This, I'm going to put that there. And this little shelf as well I made out of, in fact I haven't covered the bottom, so I'm going to show you. It's just a GHD like straightener box. It's just got some little money envelopes for dinners, but I think they're going to be sandwiches because I don't know, I just feel like it's less contact and all of that. There's some little wipes in there. Okay, so now you can see all of that on the wall. I just wanted to show you one more thing. I also made, well, I didn't make, it's a basket, but I made the label. And this is just so when they come in from school, they hang the bags up, they do all of that, and it has everything in it that they need, so it's not where's this, where's that, and it just takes up so much time when doing that. That's going to stay on the windowsill in the kitchen for now. Okay, so you can see everything that I made cost nothing. Most of it was just from old packages or like a straightener box. I did have some vinyl left over from when I did Hope's Mud Kitchen, which that should be the next video that comes out. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you like more videos like this. And leave a comment and say hi. I'd love to hear from you.